Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are keeping well and doing your study properly. So children, today we will learn grammar chapter number 3 adjectives. So before we will start our chapter, I request you all please open your grammar textbook page number 30 30. So let's begin this chapter. An adjective describe a noun in many ways. Now here we are learning about adjectives, right? So an adjective describe a noun in many ways. So we are having a table in the textbook. So if we will study the table, we can understand easily. So I request you all see on page number 30. Here table is there and on the screen also the same table I have put it. So kindly pay attention. I am going to read for you. Here you can see in the table some columns. So color, size, sound, shape. So here we are having in color blue, red, green, black, orange. In size we can write big, small, kinetic, short, tall. Sound we are having loud, quiet, harsh, faint, melodious. Shape we are having oval, round, cube, square, triangular. So here we are having these kinds of adjectives. Now we will see one more table that you will see on page number 31. Here also we have some number, taste, weather, texture. So here also in a number we can write few, many, 20, 1, 60. In short, any numbers we can write. With that we can use few, many also. Taste we are having different kinds of taste: sweet, sour, bitter, salty, tangy, etc. Weather also we are having cloudy, windy, rainy, sunny, humid. Texture smooth, rough, bumpy, slimy, furry. So children, here sometimes we use more than one adjective with a noun. Means we are not using only one adjective. With noun, more than one adjectives we are using. In such a sentence, we need to follow a picture order of adjectives. So as you can see in the textbook, next order of adjectives, you can see a picture that I have put it on the screen also. So order of pictures, order of adjectives, we will see the picture. There are 7 big mangoes in Tojo's basket. There are 4 ripe yellow mangoes and 3 unripe green ones. Rishita gets 2 green mangoes and 2 yellow mangoes from it. So children, here with the picture we are having some sentences. In the textbook also you can see and on the screen also. So on the screen also I have underlined some words that is called adjectives. Here the underlined words in the passage means whichever passage is given in the textbook under the picture, the same way here on the screen also you can see. So that underlined words are all adjectives. So these all underlined words are called adjectives. Now we are having here some explanation. So you can see in the textbook page number 31 last paragraph I have written on the screen also. 7, 4, 3 and 2 are adjectives of number or quantity. Whenever we are using any number in a sentence as an adjective, so we are having these kinds of numbers. We can use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whatever, and this is called adjective of number. In other words we can use it adjectives of quantity also. Now we are having while ripe, yellow, green are adjectives of quality. Here quantity and quality. Quantity we are always counting in a number, and quality we are using which kind of thing it is, right? Like ripe or yellow, green. So in that we can use the shape or whatever quality we are having, some kinds of ripe or sour, whatever. So this is called adjectives of quality. In other words, we can use descriptive adjectives. While using multiple adjectives in a sequence to describe one noun or pronoun, we must be aware of the correct order. Means whenever we are using this kind of adjectives in a sentence, so we have to keep in mind in a order. Means these adjectives come before the noun. Mangoes means always these all adjectives are coming before the noun whenever we are using in a sentence. So whenever the noun is there in front of, before noun, we have to use these kinds of adjectives and appear in this order. Here we are having order also: number, quality, color. So whenever we are writing in a sentence, so first we have to keep in mind that first number adjective will come, then quality means which kind of thing it is, so that quality will come, and after that color will come. So we are having here one example that we say 10 fresh green apples, right? So 10 fresh green apples. So here 10, that first we have used number. Fresh is the quality of apple, right? And green is the color of the apple. So number, quality and color, this way we have to use in a sentence. Not like that fresh green 10 apples, this is the wrong. So always you have to keep in mind when you are using this kind of adjectives in a sentence, first number you have to add, then quality and then color. So I hope you understood this paragraph. Now we will see on the next page. Kindly open page number 32. Here on the screen I have put the table, but I tried to keep in a clear quality, but you can see in the textbook also if you could not able to see on the screen. We are having one more table. Adjectives of quality can be several kinds of and appear in the order in which they are shown in the table below. So here adjectives of quality can be several kinds of, right, and appear in some kinds of order. So here also we are having some order. You can see in the table quality, first row is there: quality, size, shape, condition, age, color, pattern, origin, material. So this way here quality we can use beautiful, ugly, ripe, nice, cute. Size, for size we can use big, small, huge, large, tiny, etc. For shape also we can use round, square, rectangular, long, oval, etc. Condition we can use wet, dry, torn, hidden. For age we can use old, new, ancient, recent. Color we can use green, blue, yellow. Pattern, striped, dotted, floral. Origin means Indian, American, Italian, etc. And as a material, glass, porcelain, wooden, silk, cotton. So this way we are having different kinds of quality, adjective of quality. Now after this table you can see in the textbook also and on the screen also we are having a note. The adjectives of number or quantity like one, two, a few, many, some and so on are sometimes preceded by article a and the. Determiners each, every, all and so on. This is called demonstrative adjectives. This, these, those and so on. Or possessive, wholly, his, her, are, their and so on. So this kind of words if you will see, that is the quality of number or quantity, we can use adjective of number or quantity. So always it is preceded by articles. So For more clearance, we will see the examples. Here we are having some examples. After that note, you will see Holly's new green striped shirt and old cotton trousers. So you can see on the screen also whichever adjectives we have used in a sentence, that I have put in a different color. Maybe in the text also it is the different color, so you can easily understand. Second, Suman's beautiful new blue floral silk sari. 3. Dave's huge green glass aquarium. 4. This huge ancient Indian palace. 5. A few smart American children. 6. The rectangular new Italian cheese pizza. 7. Their magnificent large marble swimming pool. 8. This expensive big washing machine. So here we have seen about the explanation of chapter 3 adjectives. So I request you all, whatever we have learned today in the tables and some kinds of notes also, so try to read it again 2 or 3 times and try to understand this all adjectives of quality, quantity, whatever, and whichever tables also we are having on page number 30, 31 and 32. So these all tables you have to learn properly, study properly, and in the next video we will write exercises and you have to learn it. Thank you.